St. Thomas Academy Experimental Vehicle Team was started 20 years ago by a group of students that wanted to build a go-kart and ended up building a gasoline-powered car that got over 800 miles per gallon. Over the course of 20 years, our program has come extremely far. Students balance busy academic lives with a substantial workload that comes with joining the Experimental Vehicle Team. Last year, the team worked for over 2,800 hours after school, on weekends, and on breaks to perfect our current car. Students working after school tend to specialize in different tasks and aspects of building a car from the ground up. Some students choose to take on the strenuous jobs of construction, which involve hours of sanding, laying carbon fiber, and other tasks that form the vehicle's base. Others are drawn to the mechanical duties, working with metal pipes, saws, and drills to create the car's frame and internal pieces. More recently, a third category has opened up for members of the team, specifically those adept with computers and design programs. Thanks to St. Thomas Academy's new Innovation Center, EVT members have access to 3D printers and other machines that assist them in designing the car's aerodynamic shape, as well as smaller but crucial pieces to the car, such as the steering wheel. These three categories of EVT members are efficient in their stations: the garage, workshop, and computer lab. However, members of the team spend more time together than apart, strategizing, discussing, collaborating, comparing, and bonding. While everyone who enters this program leaves with confidence in their engineering skills, the most important lessons don't involve mechanics or technicalities. EVT teaches us more about how to navigate life and approach problems more than anything. We learn that the process is much more important than the product. We learn the importance of teamwork and perseverance. And finally, we learn that nothing ever works on the first try, and that it's okay to fail as long as we learn from this failure. We are so lucky to have an opportunity as incredible as EVT, and incredibly grateful for everyone who supports us.